The bad grades keep on coming. On Wednesday, Public Health responded to 3 different complaints, 2 about Verona Resort and Spa and 1 for Hills Lounge in Tumon, all 3 citing unsanitary practices and even cockroaches and rats.
But there were some signs of rodent activity. So we observe rodent feces, rub marks throughout the kitchen area. Aside from that, they also had a few other violations, and so because of that, their permit was suspended.
72 violations total. Catherine Del Mundo, Public Health Officer 3, also cited employees not washing their hands and mishandling food. The Hills Lounge received a letter grade D, and their doors were immediately closed. Verona Resort and Spa, however, is still open, but not without a few shortcomings.
During the inspection on the hotel side, we did find, again, signs of rodents. There were feces and rub marks. And we also found live and dead roaches. So there seems to be a sign of infestation.
Chief Environmental Public Health Officer M. Thomas Nadeau says the hotel sanitary permit, while valid, doesn't excuse the mold, water leaks, and roaches found on 8 separate floors. A health risk, Mary Lou Scroggs, Environment and Public Health Officer Administrator for the Bureau of Inspection and Enforcement, said her staff wanted to correct, suggesting moving guests to floors 9 to 11.
We did not close the hotel. We tried to work with the owner. Our recommendation is for the occupants on those floors to move it to the higher level, which is the 9th to the 11th floor, because they determined that those 3 floors don't have those problems that we saw and that they found on the 1st floor to the 8th floor.
The hotel was told to not accept more reservations, but in the end, it's really up to Verona to follow through.
As we speak now, 2 of our staff are on their way to verify if really those areas were vacated and those occupants on those floors were moved to the higher level. We always do a follow-up or an assessment to make sure that they're really complying or following our recommendations.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Carmen Victoria Terlahi.